long can you store food in your fridge without losing too much nutrition? But consider asking two follow-up questions. What nutrients exactly? And by how much? Turns out that water-soluble vitamins like B and C are the most easily lost nutrients. The single biggest loss of nutrients happens when you cook food, not when you store food in the fridge. In decreasing order of nutrient loss, deep frying, baking, sautéing, boiling, steaming, microwave, and eating raw. But we can't eat everything raw. A chapati has 25% less vitamin B than the atta you made it from. But you really can't eat atta, can you? So when you put something in the fridge, it is typically stored between 2 and 5 Celsius. Spoilage happens as a result of 1. Bacteria and fungi, 2. Enzymes and oxidation. Both of these slow down significantly at low temperatures. The less heat energy, the less the biological activity. Studies have shown that you can safely store most cooked food in your fridge for up to 2 to 3 days, and in the freezer up to 6 months. But you do lose nutrients when you reheat food. So consider microwaving, since it is gentler than other cooking techniques. We all like fresh food. But if someone in your family insists that they will not eat refrigerated food, please ask them to cook fresh food for everyone by themselves.